This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by James Tudon. Sold as is located in the desirable Mainlands of Tamarac by the Gulf Unit 3, this Fairfax model home offers classic Florida living with great potential. Featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a split floor plan, and a single-car garage, this residence provides 1,682 total living square feet, which includes a spacious enclosed finished porch area perfect for relaxing or entertaining. While the home is being sold as is and in original condition, it presents an excellent opportunity for updating and personalization to meet today's design tastes. The Mainlands of Tamarac by the Gulf is a vibrant 55-plus community known for its active lifestyle and low-maintenance living. Residents enjoy access to multiple clubhouses, outdoor swimming pools with sundecks, and shuffleboard courts ideal for socializing and staying active. The community also features scenic lakes, walking paths, and is adjacent to the well-regarded Mainlands Golf Course. With HOA coverage that includes exterior maintenance, roof, lawn care, and many utilities, homeowners can focus on enjoying all the amenities and the centrally located Tampa Bay lifestyle just minutes from shopping, dining and Gulf Coast beaches. Dishwasher not connected, does not operate, not warranted, tile roof 2005, flat roof 2020, associated.